So what I need, this is one of them where you have a part and I have a part. So what I need you to do is just repeat after me. All right, here we go. O as a, amos ais an. O as a, amos ais an. I know you're thinking that is he really wanting me to do this? And the answer is yes, because you need to be able to hear it so that you can write it and use it and say it. All right, come after me. O as a, amos ais an. O as a, amos ais an. Well, these are the endings for some verbs. And what kind of verbs are they? They're AR verbs. And we're going to use these for the present tense. What does all this mean? Well, let me show you a few things. All right, so we've got of 6 here. And if that doesn't make sense to you, you probably need to go back and watch one of our other videos. And our goal with this, o as a, amos ais an. O as a, amos ais an. See, I need you to be walking places and just saying that. I need you to be in your car and just doing it. O as a, amos ais an. And I need you to get that to be a part of who you are. Don't forget, see that little thing right there? Accent. All right. And so our goal is that we need to start with some infinitives and we want to turn them into conjugated verbs. So what does an infinitive look like? Well, I'm going to give you 3. Maybe like hablar, bailar, and cantar. And how do we know they're an infinitive? Because they end in AR. You see that at the end there? So we've got this one that means to speak, to dance, and to sing. And our goal is we need some kind of way. We need a process. We need some steps so that we can go from an infinitive and change it into a conjugated verb. So instead of saying, I want to say to speak, which maybe is not that helpful, I want to say I speak or I do speak. Or to dance to we dance or we do dance. And to sing to she sings. You know, like my lady friend, Shakira. How do we do this? Well, there's 3 steps. Step 1. We're going to start with the infinitive, right? It's just that base verb. Step 2, we want to drop off the AR, and we're left with just that stem, and we're going to add our ending. Well, what is our ending? You know, up there, o as a, amos ais an. And when we do that, it's going to change from an infinitive to a conjugated verb. So let's look at this first one. We're going to take hablar, and then we're going to take off the AR, and we're going to go up here, and if we want to be in the I and say I speak or I do speak, that's box 1. So we're going to take that O, and we're going to add it on there, and we have hablo. All right, let's do another one. Bailar, to dance. But we want to get to we dance, and we know that we is box 4. All right, step 1, start with your infinitive, bailar. Step 2, drop off your AR. All right, step 3, add your ending, amos. And what do we end up with? Bailamos, which translates as we dance or we do dance. How do I know which one? I don't know. Just speak some Spanish. All right, let's do one final one. What do we have here? Cantar. Start with our infinitive, to sing. Drop our AR, cant. All right, and we want to say she sings. I got Shakira on the brain today. All right, she is going to be box 3, so we need to add that a. Canta. She sings. She does sing. There is way more that we're going to learn about AR verbs, but this is the present tense, sometimes called the present indicative. I know, lots of terms, you have to just know what they are, but the most important thing is memorize. O as a, amos ais an. Get that down. Start using these. Go online, do one of those searches, say AR regular verbs present tense. Yeah, just search that, AR regular verbs present tense, and you're going to get a list. All right, in another video, I'm going to show you ER and then IR verbs, and then we're going to get into the world of irregulars. Yes, I know. So much fun. Suerte.